Ryan and Judy Ann, may the Lord bless you by the word of His mouth.
Amen.
May He unite your hearts in an enduring bond of pure love.
Amen.
May you be blessed in your children, and may the love you lavish on them be returned to you 100-fold.
Amen.
May the peace of Christ dwell always in your hearts and in your home. May you have true friends who stand by you both in joy and in sorrow.
Amen.
May the Lord bless you with many years together, so that you may enjoy the rewards of a good life. And after you have served Him here on earth, may He welcome you to His eternal kingdom in heaven.
Amen.
Pilipinas, magandang gabi po. Ngayong gabi, inaanyayahan namin kayo para masaksihan ang isang naiibang pag-ibig.
A love between two very different people, but one that's bound to never change.
My dear brothers and sisters, may I now present to you Mr. Ryan and Mrs. Judy Ann Agoncillo.
Si Casey Concepcion, a.k.a. ang dakilang galunggong nila Ate Juday at Kuya Ryan dahil sa sobrang hilig namin sa beach. Dito ako para ikwento yung buong kasal nila Kuya Ryan at Ate Juday at iba pa. So, papunta ng Laia, ang buong barkada, lahat naka-coaster dahil sa sobrang walang kakeme-keme ng bride and groom. Coaster lang ang dinala nila papunta ng Laia. On the road, ilang beses silang tumirek at ilang beses din nasiraan.
Nasiraan kami?
Pinaaayos nila yung aircon ng coaster nila at kung ano-ano pa.
Tulong mo lang sa akin kung nasan tayo ngayon. Kaya itong mini-mart na to, kailangan natin tagtumin to.
Kasya pa, ate.
Para makaligasa.
And finally, nakarating din sila sa Laia at dun nagstay ng one whole day, nagkakakain, nagsisisid sa dagat, natutulog, nagkikwento, at nagre-ready for the wedding day.
Chong, spray paint tayo. Kaya mo yan. Sa dami ng inimpake ko, eto ang hindi mawawala. Panyo, kasi sigurado iiyak to buye. Eto na ang mga maghahatid sa akin sa huling hantungan. The last frontier!
Sa pagbabalik namin, ang unang gising ni Juday sa araw ng kanyang kasal, may silip tayo.
Sopas tsaka noodles, nakabilin-bilinan.
Wait lang.
Na opening, so pasok lang namin. Sunod kayo later pag nagising na. Diyan muna kayo.